In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Google Play Store on FydeOS step by step. First of all, open the Start menu and click on the Android option. A setup window will appear. Just accept the agreement and click on Launch. Within a few minutes, Android will be activated on your system. As you can see, Android is now enabled, but right now, there is no Play Store support. So let's install it. Go to the store. Now, click on Configure GApps. Add this application. Once it's added, go to Settings. Enable developer mode, confirm it, and then restart your PC. After restarting, open GApps. Agree to the terms, then click Next. Now it's showing an error. To continue, we need to disable rootf's verification. For that, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the terminal. Now type shell and press Enter. Then type sudo-i. Press Enter again. Now write the command shown on screen to the terminal. Press Enter. Then type yes when prompted. Your system will now reboot automatically. After reboot, go back and continue the setup. Before moving forward, we have to download Android file. Now open your browser. Go to search bar and search for Crosstech. Open this website. Now here, search for Atlas and open it. You'll see recovery images. To choose the correct one, go to Settings and check your Chromium version. Download the file that matches your version. This file is needed for official Google Play Store components. Wait for the download to complete. When the file is downloaded, go and continue the setup. Wait until it completes. After it finishes, restart your PC one more time. Once your system boots up, open the Start menu. You'll now see the Google Play Store. Open it and sign in with your Google account. And that's it. You now have access to millions of Android apps and games on your FydeOS system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.